Thank you. Very good evening to you. Welcome to the weekend. A rather mixed bag of weather ahead, with heavy showers, particularly through the day tomorrow, and some rather blustery winds contained within the downpours through the first part of the weekend. By Sunday, slightly brighter, drier conditions, but remaining rather unsettled. Into next week, though, temperatures will rise, and for many areas, we'll see some drier conditions beginning to exist, with low pressure in charge and a rather active front moving in from the west through this evening and overnight. It's likely Saturday will be very unsettled. Behind it, brighter conditions for Sunday, but still the potential for a few showers for our part of the world. In the meantime, this evening and overnight, at first for northern England and southern Scotland, dry with a few clear spells. But cloud begins to build, and after midnight, the beginnings of that front moving up from the southwest with some heavy rain associated with it, perhaps a rumble or two of thunder before tomorrow morning. And temperature-wise, with the low cloud and damp conditions, it's certainly not going to be a chilly night, 9 or 10 degrees. Winds fairly light, but picking up before dawn. On to tomorrow, the sun is up at 4:36 and sets at 9:46 tomorrow evening. It's likely tomorrow will be a bit of a washout, certainly the first part of the day. Plenty of cloud, some heavy pulses of showery rain, so lots of water on the region's roads and the potential for a rumble or two of thunder as well. Into the afternoon, drying up a little bit, but really it's unsettled. Be prepared for showers on and off through the day, and within the downpours, some rather gusty winds. Temperatures are a little depressed, 14 or 15 Celsius, but by Sunday, there's more in the way of brightness, temperatures are on the up, and showers will be fewer and further between. Thank you. Good afternoon. The weekend is upon us and it does look very mixed weather-wise, it has to be said. Plenty of bright spells out there over the next few hours. 1 or 2 slow-moving showers for Derbyshire, Cheshire though. 16 or 17 Celsius won't feel too bad in the brighter spots. Through this evening, increasingly cloudy conditions and some heavy rain beginning to move up from the southwest. Showery in nature but merging into the early hours of tomorrow morning, and you could hear a rumble or two of thunder as it begins to make its presence felt before dawn. It's not going to be a chilly night, but tomorrow morning looks real washout for our part of the world. Wet, breezy conditions, some rumbles of thunder, and during the afternoon perhaps a little drier, but temperatures will be rather depressed for the time of year. Hello, a very good evening to you. The weekend is upon us and it looks rather unsettled weather-wise, with some really heavy downpours through the day tomorrow and blustery winds associated with those showers at times. A little brighter and drier during Sunday, but still unsettled and showery. Through next week, beginning to calm down a little bit, becoming a little drier, and temperatures will be on the rise. Low pressure dominates and a rather active front pushes in from the southwest overnight tonight. Now for the northeast of England, that means during the day tomorrow, increasingly wet, breezy conditions, some heavy pulses of rain, and behind it, brighter conditions for Sunday, but still the potential for a few heavy showers. In the meantime, through this evening and overnight, starting dry and clear at first, but cloud will tend to build into the early hours of tomorrow morning, and the beginnings of that showery rain moves up as we approach dawn. Low cloud, damp conditions, it means for a mild night, 9 or 10 degrees, and winds are light, but will pick up a little bit as the rain band moves in by tomorrow morning. Those are the sun times for tomorrow, up at 4:32, setting at 9:36 tomorrow evening. It's likely tomorrow here in the northeast there'll be lots of cloud around to start the day, and some rather heavy pulses of rain out to the southwest, which gradually through the course of the day push further northwards and eastwards, where we find these slow moving showers. There could be a rumble of thunder, lots of water on the roads in the slow moving downpours. And temperatures as a consequence are going to be a little depressed for the time of year, perhaps 14 or 15 Celsius, and feeling cool in those showers tomorrow afternoon. Now looking ahead to Sunday, it's a brighter day in general, a scattering of showers, feeling a little bit more pleasant at 16 Celsius, and temperatures will rise a little more through next week.